Hello, everyone! Have you ever noticed that when you touch a metal pot on the stove, it gets hot really, really fast, but the wooden spoon inside stays cool? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Today, we're going to solve this mystery and find out what makes some things heat's best friends and others not so much.
So let's start with this simple question. Imagine you put a metal spoon in a hot cup of tea. After a while, the handle gets hot too, right? But agar aap wooden spoon use kare, it stays cool. Why does this happen? Well, this is the exact mystery we're solving today. And believe me, the answer is super simple.
You know, the best way to solve a science mystery is to become a scientist yourself. तो हम एक बहुत ही simple और fun experiment करने वाले हैं to find the answer. So are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, so here's our plan. Dekho, it's a very simple setup. We're putting 3 different objects, a steel spoon, a plastic scale, and a wooden pencil, into a beaker of warm water. Hamada mission simple hai. We'll wait for a minute or two and then touch the other end of each object to see which one gets hot. So, before we see the results, let's play a little game. Let's predict. What do you think is going to happen? Which object's end will feel hot after a couple of minutes in warm water? The steel spoon, the plastic scale, or the pencil? Make your guess right now. All right, time is up. The results are in. First, let's find out which of the objects actually got hot. Are you ready to see if your prediction was correct? Let's find out. And there it is. The end of the steel spoon got hot. Iska matlab ye hai that the heat from the warm water traveled all the way from one end of the spoon to the other. It's like a super fast highway for heat. So for materials like our steel spoon, there's a special science word. We call them conductors. A conductor is any material that lets heat pass through it very, very easily. बिल्कुल एक fast road की तरह, जहाँ heat energy can just zoom from one place to another. And it's not just steel. Most metals like iron and copper are really good conductors. आप इन्हें रोज देखते हैं, especially in things that need to get hot quickly, like cooking pots. Okay, so we know the steel spoon got hot, but what about the other 2 things we tested? The plastic scale and the wooden pencil? Unko kya hua? Let's check those results now. And look at that! The ends of the plastic scale and the wooden pencil did not get hot. They stayed completely cool. इसका मतलब है, इन चीजों ने heat को आगे travel करने से रोक दिया. They blocked it. And of course, there's a science term for these materials too. We call them non-conductors. Just like the name says, they do the opposite of conductors. They do not let heat pass through easily. ये heat के लिए एक roadblock की तरह हैं. They just stop it. Now, non-conductors have another very important name, and you'll hear this a lot. They are also called insulators. An insulator is basically a fantastic heat blocker. Remember this word, it's super important, insulator. So let's do a quick recap. On one side, we have conductors, like metals, which are a highway for heat. And on the other side, we have insulators, or non-conductors, like wood and plastic, which are a roadblock for heat. Simple, right? Now you might be thinking, okay, but why is this important? Well, this science is all around you, especially in your kitchen. Chalo dekhte hain. So, here's a thought. Why are all the cooking pots and pans in your kitchen made of metal? It's not just because metal is strong. There's a really important scientific reason behind it. What do you think it is? You got it. It's because metals are amazing conductors. We need the heat from the stove to get to our food quickly and evenly so it can cook properly. And uske liye, you need a good conductor. Okay, next question. The frying pan itself is made of metal. But what about its handle? वो तो plastic या wood का बना होता है. Why is that? Well, that's all about safety. Plastic is an insulator. It blocks the heat from the super hot metal pan from reaching your hand. This way, you can hold the pan safely without getting burned. बहुत smart design hai, right? All right, you've learned so much about conductors and insulators. I think you're ready for a little challenge. It's time for a quick pop quiz. Let's see how much you remember. Okay, first question. A steel spoon in hot water becomes hot, but a wooden spoon does not. Why? Is it A, B, or C? Hey, this is the same mystery we started with. Think carefully. And the correct answer is B. Metal is a better conductor of heat than wood. Absolutely. Metal lets the heat pass, but wood, which is an insulator, blocks it. Well done if you got that right. Here's the next one. Which of these is a conductor of heat? Your options are A, iron,
B, plastic, C, rubber, or D, wood? Think about our experiment. Which one of these is a metal?
And the answer is A, iron. That's right. Iron is a metal, and as we learned, metals are excellent conductors. Plastic, rubber, and wood are all insulators. You guys are pros at this.
Okay, for our last slide, here is a fun challenge for you. Just look around the room you are in right now. Can you find 3 things that are conductors and 3 things that are insulators? I bet you can. The more you look for science, the more you'll find it everywhere. Keep exploring.